Unleash your inner DJ maestro with our curated selection of the finest DJ controllers available. These cutting-edge devices are designed to elevate your DJing experience to new heights. Offering seamless integration with your favorite software and unmatched precision, they empower you to craft unforgettable mixes and electrify the dance floor. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best DJ controllers you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Pioneer DJ XDJ-XZ, crowned as the number 5 best DJ controller, is a testament to the artistry and innovation that defines the world of professional DJing. As we began this journey of discovery with Pioneer, it's only fitting that we end it with them as well. The XDJ-XZ is not just a controller, it's a symphony of creativity and precision. Designed for the consummate professional, it boasts full-size jog wheels for sublime scratching, 16 vibrant performance pads, USB plug-and-play convenience, and seamless compatibility with Serato DJ Pro and Rekordbox. But it doesn't stop there. The audio quality has been elevated to new heights, ensuring pristine sound even in the most demanding club or live event settings. What truly sets the XDJ-XZ apart is its connectivity prowess, effortlessly linking with CDJs, turntables, and more. Browsing your music library is a breeze, thanks to the spacious built-in digital display screen. Whether you're performing at a club, bar, or private studio, this professional all-in-one DJ system, priced at $2,499 equips you with the tools to excel. With full-size jog wheels, 14-beat FX, 6-sound color FX, and Pro DJ Link support, the XDJ-XZ is a creative powerhouse. It's not just a controller, it's an emotion, a passion, and the ultimate tool for those who dare to mix music with their souls. Presenting the Traktor Kontrol S4 Mark III is more than just a DJ controller. It's a musical journey waiting to be embarked upon. Packed with innovation and emotion, this device earns its spot as the 4th best DJ controller. It's Native Instruments' flagship creation, representing the pinnacle of DJ technology. What sets the Kontrol S4 Mark III apart is its world-first haptic drive motorized jog wheels that bring your music to life. You can feel the rhythm and energy of your tracks through vibrations, elevating your DJ experience to new heights. This controller seamlessly integrates with Traktor DJ Pro 3 software, ensuring you have all the tools you need for remixing and performing live. Its compact and portable design makes it a companion for traveling DJs, allowing you to plug into any speaker at a club or venue and start creating magic instantly. With RGB LED rings and high-res color displays providing vital information, your focus remains solely on the music. Priced at $1,260, the Traktor Kontrol S4 Mark III isn't just a controller. It's a tactile journey that immerses you in your music like never before. The Reloop Mixon 8 Pro is a DJ's dream come true, earning its place as the number 3 best DJ controller in the industry. It's not just a controller, it's a masterpiece of artistry and innovation. This 4-channel hybrid DJ controller oozes class and style, capturing the hearts of music enthusiasts worldwide. Reloop has meticulously crafted this controller for maximum productivity, ensuring seamless connectivity and compatibility with leading DJ software. With dual USB audio interfaces, you can dive into your mixes with minimal setup time. The hardware is a work of genius. The jog wheels, with their heightened touch sensitivity and gunmetal platters, offer precise control. But it's the 4 sturdy onboard FX paddles that steal the show, providing tactile mastery over your effects. Virtual needle illumination, time tracking, and a playhead position indicator make this controller futuristic. Additionally, the Mixon 8 Pro boasts a powerful built-in standalone mixer, making it a true hybrid for the 21st century DJ. Priced at $1,249, this controller is a priceless addition to any DJ's arsenal. Introducing the Denon DJ SC Live 4, a true marvel in the world of DJ controllers, earning its well-deserved spot as the number 2 best DJ controller on the market today. This compact powerhouse isn't just a DJ controller, It's a creative canvas for musical maestros. With its built-in speakers, a colossal 7-inch touchscreen display, and seamless internal compatibility with Wi-Fi and more, it's a game changer. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your DJ journey, the SC Live 4 caters to all. It effortlessly pairs with Serato DJ Pro or Virtual DJ, offering dedicated knobs for each channel and a treasure trove of effects and modes at your fingertips. Mixing, live streaming, rehearsal, and content creation have never been this captivating. But the SC Live 4 doesn't stop at music. It adds a mesmerizing visual element with dynamic lighting control. You can tweak strobes, colors, and intensities with ease, orchestrating an immersive audio-visual symphony for your audience. What sets this gem apart is its ability to deliver laptop-free performances via Engine DJ OS. You can load tracks through an SD slot or USB INS, granting you absolute freedom in your musical pursuits. At $2,108, the Denon DJ SC Live 4 is an investment in your musical journey. The Pioneer DJ Rev 7 isn't just a controller, it's an emotional connection between an artist and their music. It's a true masterpiece, deserving its title as the #1 DJ controller. Crafted with precision and passion, this controller is a work of art. The first thing that strikes you is its layout: motorized jog wheels larger than ever before, adorned with an acrylic top plate that feels like a real analog record under your fingertips. It's intuitive, seamless, and designed for artists who crave that tactile experience. The 7-inch vinylized jog wheels can be customized, allowing artists to fine-tune their mixing style. But the Rev 7 is not just about aesthetics. It's packed with features that cater to open format and scratch DJs. The tempo sliders mimic the PLX turntables, while performance pads and lever FX paddles emulate a DJM-S series mixer. The on-jog display provides essential information at a glance, making mixing a breeze. Sampling becomes effortless with instant scratch buttons, and the controller offers 22-beat FXs and 5 sound color FXs for those dramatic performances that give you goosebumps. But it's not just about features. It's about the emotional connection it fosters between an artist and their music. The DJ Rev 7 is a masterpiece that brings music to life. And for $1,899, it's worth every penny for DJs who seek the ultimate connection with their art. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech content. I also want to encourage you to leave a comment below and let me know what you think about the video. I love hearing from my viewers and getting your feedback. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time.